Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Wurkkos. Now this here is their WK03. Now the version I have on the body is golden with the Nichia 519A LED at 5000 Kelvin. Now this is a complete kit. They sent this to me. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Start off here with the user manual. Multi-language, front and back. Start here on the front of this one here. Chart's kind of small, sorry about that, but as you can see there, 1800 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen, otherwise we're going to move along. One warning card here, let you know there is a protection piece on the battery. 2 O-rings and 1 lanyard. 1 USB Type-C charging cable. Now they have a magnetic tail cap if you want to use that. I might put that on there. Nice looking. There it is. Gold color. Definitely does stand out. Conversation piece. Side switch. Can table stand that if you need, using either cap. Clip on here. Got a lanyard hole here. Really compact. Perfect size for ADC actually. It's got some knurling here on the body. It's not real aggressive. Some heat sinking there on the head. Pretty deep. Here's the charging port there. Charge it on the go. Or you can swap out the battery. Side switch there does have a battery level indicator behind it. Does stick out a little bit. Style and design on this is nice. Now let's take a look here. Special optics. Behind that is the Nichia 519A LED. Now you can remove the clip if you don't want it on there. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. So let me bring out my knife so you can kind of see that this is magnetic. I think I'm going to swap it out. Comes in handy. Might need to hands free it. one day. Let's go ahead and take it out. Show you the tail spring here. Now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. Pretty much same tail spring. You want to remove this protection piece. Now I save them. You never know when you want to, store the light for long periods of time. And we'll check the battery here. 18650, 3000 milliamp. This is a 20 amp cell, unprotected. It's going to provide plenty of power for this light. I want to make sure I got the magnetic one. It feels heavier. There is a spring on the head of the light, and they did glue that on, but you can use any type of 18650 in here because of that spring. Now that we got it all back together, put this back in the bag. I don't think I'll ever use it, but you never know. Now let's go through the UI. The UI is pretty straightforward. Turning that on shows you got good battery power. That will blink red when the power becomes critically low, and you should swap out the battery or charge it. Press down and hold. We'll go through those light outputs. Hold it down if you wish, or hold it and release individually. Now from off, you can press down and hold to get the lowest light output. And now we'll continue to go back up. And now on any light level, you can double click to get the highest output. Yeah, it's showing the battery there is a little bit on the low side, so it's showing kind of a faint yellow. Well, let's go ahead and take a look here at the beam. I'll charge it up before I go out there. You can see nice focused hot spot, a little bit of bleeding here, but the spill area just tapers off. Now this does have special mode, so we're going to triple click 1, 2, 3. We'll get you strobe, and that is a constant rate on the flash, and you can press that one time. This does have memory mode, so we'll go down to medium, turn it off, turn it back on. Nice to have. And that's all there is to this light. Very simple and easy to operate this, and that's what I want when I want a quick grab of a light or something to carry on me. Impressive looks on here. Definitely is a conversation piece. Some lights are. Somebody sees them right away, they want to know about it. Feels rugged. Very nice build quality. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Wurkkos WK03. go ahead and get started here. Lowest light output, good battery level. And you can see about 20 feet there. Got a large hotspot. We'll kind of see how far it goes down here. Yeah, usable at least 30 feet there. Let's go up to the next level here. A little bit of a jump. Still got some pretty good range for this level. And it is making 38 feet to that water spout. Now I do have a link below all my videos showing my testing area. Check it out should you have any questions or doubts. There's the beam on the fence again. Kind of give you an idea. Let's go to the next level here. See how it does. 65 feet to this tree here. Water spout. And it is making that tree of life. Now that's 138 feet. So that large hotspot is lighting up the whole thing. Let's go to the next level here. Wow. You can see how large that hotspot is, and the spill area is pretty weak on that because of this type of setup, which is to be expected. And kind of give you an idea there. I'll just do a beam profile here at this light level. Kind of give you an idea. Falls off pretty abruptly. And let me see if we're down, back down to the lowest of the UI here. Not moonlight, but let's go ahead and do turbo. See how it does. Nice. Look at that large hotspot just almost lights up that whole tree. So if you're wanting something that's going to show a beam hotspot on a large object, this is going to easily shoot maybe a couple hundred feet. Yeah, it is making 238 feet behind the tree of life, so it's definitely got some usable light output for that range. They're having a tent out there for a special event here at the park. Kind of do another beam profile. This will start to cycle down due to heat, so not a real big issue. Let's double click again. There we go. Now it's back up so you can see the playground's even better. And that tent out there. And we'll end it here on the Tree of Life. The famous Tree of Life, that is. Nice for a little EDC. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. WK03 is impressive, especially for its size. Now, this Nichia LED does get pretty toasty on the head. It will get pretty toasty and then it will start to cycle down, which is normal to keep it safe and keep it from damaging the internals of the light. The light output is plenty for most applications. This is perfect size for everyday carry. Now I like the color of this. I'm going to add it to my other colors of flashlights. I do keep the unusual ones on hand in my collection, and this one here doesn't fail to impress. The magnetic tail cap, you can choose to have it or not. That's nice. The included battery, plenty powerful enough for most applications, and if it not, you can easily swap it out, run any 18650 in here, button top, flat top, slightly raised top. You've got your extended run time right here. Charge it on the go as well. It's up to you. So an impressive little everyday carry flashlight from Wurkkos. Most of all, simple UI. Now, this also comes in other body colors, so just to let you know on that. Okay, well, I want to thank Wurkkos for sending me this WK03 to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, remember this complete kit comes with everything you need. I will leave a link down in the description box below this video, including a special discount code that will help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring these all new flashlights from Wurkkos to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.